I take this opportunity to welcome you back to this other session of ours. Now in this session, we are going to look at inheritance of color blindness. So when we talk about color blindness, we are saying that it is a defect of the eyes where the eyes have a reduced ability to distinguish between certain colors caused by a recessive gene. Now the ability of the eye not to distinguish between certain colors caused by a recessive gene is what we are calling inheritance of color blindness. We are saying that are very common in males than in females. So we are saying that these defects or the inheritance of color blindness is more common in males than females. The reason being that the females have XX chromosomes. Then the males, for them, they have the XY1 chromosomes. And we say that that these traits are majorly carried on the X chromosome. So it is more common in males than in females. The reason being that in males they only have one X chromosome, while in females for them they are having two X chromosomes. Let's proceed. So let's look at the genotype and the phenotypes. When we talk about the genotypes, for example, as we can see there, we are saying that this condition is more common in males than in females. So when look here, like this one, a male has got one X chromosome and one Y chromosome, while a female has both the X chromosome and the Y chromosome. So that's why we are saying, and yet this disease is carried on the X chromosome. That's why we are saying that it is more common in males, as you can see here, than in females. You get? From there, allow me take you through the genotype and the phenotypes. Now when you're having XB and XB, this is an indication that on the observable appearance, that is a normal a normal female. Then when we look at this number 2, when we have XB and the X small b, X capital B, X small b, this is an indication that this female is a carrier because of this small b on the X chromosome. Now we are having XB and X small b. Sorry, X small b and X small b. We are saying that this is a color blind female because of this small b. Remember, when it is expressed in a recessive form, it is an indicator that the person is color blind. Since it is a female, it is XX, it goes now to what? To female. When we have this, remember this is a boy or it is a man who is having XB and capital Y. We say that this inheritance of color blindness is carried on the sex chromosome, as you can see here. Now X capital B small y is an indicator that this is a normal man. So when you look at X small b and capital Y, this is a man, and this is an indicator that this person is in color blind. So for somebody who requested me to do a video about color blind, as if that is the video. So let us meet in the next session. We are going to talk about the examples. Actually, we are going to look at one of the examples of such an inheritance. I sign out.